Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog. Oftentimes I'm asked, how durable are the motors that Hunter Douglas puts into their shades? Today we have the PowerView motor, but back in the day they had one called Powerrise. I'm going to show it to you here. So here's a shade that we did for this window back in, get ready, 1998. And the client called me because it wasn't functioning. It turns out it was the remote control. Now here's the remote, very simple, and it is infrared based on this one. So we're just going to hit raise, and hitting that little receiver up top, you can see that the shade is still functioning. Hit stop, still functions perfectly. So again, this is 20 years. And that motor is still working. The problem was that in these remotes, sometimes the batteries get corroded. That's what happened. The batteries on the back side of this were kind of defective. So we replaced the batteries and it worked just perfectly. But if you ever ask me, how durable are the Hunter Douglas PowerView or Powerrise motors? 20 years success. So that is fairly typical. I've had very few calls as far as motor problems. I appreciate and thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog.